Adding students to an existing class. After you've logged into STEMSIMS, select the Classes tab from the top menu. Make sure the class you want to add students to is the active class. If the desired class is not the active class, select the class from the classes list. To add students to this class, select the Students tab from the left menu. The Student Roster screen appears. Select the Add Students button in the top right portion of the screen. You have multiple options for adding students to an existing class. You can import students into your new class from Google Classroom, Canvas, or Clever. Just follow the on-screen instructions for completing these imports. You can also import students from a CSV file. Check our earlier section on adding students to a class to see how to do this.